Thanksgiving brings turkey, pumpkin pie, and the festive aroma of quality access control. This can be shared with your family, your friends, and your customers for success. Today, I'm bringing in a special guest, my friend Tyler. Welcome on, Tyler.
Today on Cooking with Libby Stewart.
Well, Libby, I'm confused. Aren't we supposed to be making some food today?
Oh, don't be silly, Tyler. Today I'm teaching you the recipe for success. And I promise it's nothing like your grandmother's on-prem access control recipe.
Well, I don't think my grandma could tell you what access control means, but I believe you. Let's do it.
For those of you following along at home, preheat your ProdataKey certification at accesscontrol101.com. And all the ingredients that you need will make the pilgrimage to your door. Tyler, would you mind opening that oven for me?
Of course.
Thank you. I took the liberty today of preheating a PDK dealer starter kit before you came over this glorious afternoon, which we have right here.
Wow, that smells amazing. It smells better than my grandma's turkey.
And we'll add a little cloud for finishing touch. If you want to turn this into a multiple course meal, feel free to add some side dishes. I love to pair this with 24/7 support, advanced RMAs, tiered pricing, and extended warranties and loyalty rewards.
Wow, I had no idea that access control could be this simple.
That's right, with PDK, it's easier than ever to cook up a quality access control experience. For you guys watching at home, make sure to get signed up for the accesscontrol101.com course, where you can get certified and become a PDK partner. With that, you'll receive a dealer kit just like the one that we made today. And with that being said, we'll see you next time.
That's it? There's no food at all?
Goodbye now.